Hey, second grade. Before we get started on this week's math lesson, I want you to grab a piece of paper and a pencil because I'm going to have you do some work with me as we do this lesson. So go ahead, pause your video, take a minute, grab a piece of paper that you can write on and a pencil. All right, so last week we did multiplication and we made arrays to solve our multiplication problems, okay? So when we did 3 times 7, we were making rows and columns to make an array. So we were making 3 rows and putting 7 in each. We're going to do something similar this week. We're going to continue with multiplication, but this time we're going to be working on using equal groups. So what I mean when I say equal groups, equal. What do you think that word means? Equal. It means the same, right? Everyone has the same. So when we make equal groups, we're making groups that have the same amount in them, okay? Groups with the same amount. So I'm going to show you what I mean by multiplication with equal groups. So when we have this multiplication problem, 3 times 6, my first number here is going to be how many groups I'm going to make. So I'm going to make 3 groups. And what I like to do is I just like to draw 3 big circles. Okay, 3 times 6. What this wants me to do is I need to put 6 in each. I'm going to pause there real quick because that's kind of like our arrays. Instead of making rows, we're making our groups, and then our second number where it would be how many are in each row, that's where it's going to be how many are in each group. Okay, so 3 times 6. I have my 3 groups. I need to put 6 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with multiplication, we talked about this last week. To find our answer, we have to count them all up. Okay, so 6 and 6, well, I know my doubles fact, so I know 6 and 6 is 12. So I can just count on from there. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, now is where I want you to get your pencil and paper, and I want you to help me with this problem. Here we have 9 times 1. So remember, 9 times 1, this is how many groups we are going to make. So we're going to make 9 groups, and I know that's kind of a bigger number, so I'm not going to make them too big. Okay, go ahead and do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it wants me to put 1 in each. Okay, remember this is how many groups, this is how many go in each group. How many groups, how many go in each group. So 9 times 1, I'm going to put 1 in each. Nine times 1. Without even counting, can you figure out what that answer is going to be? The answer is going to be 9 because we made 9 groups, but we only put 1 in each, so we're really just counting each group 1 time. Anytime we multiply by 1, our answer is going to be that other number. So like 7 times 1, our answer is going to be 7 because we're going to make 7 groups and put 1 in each. 300 times 1, your answer is going to be 300. So that's a little trick when we're multiplying by 1. Okay, we've got 3 more problems to do. 5 times 5, I want you to think to yourself, how many groups am I making right now? Looking at my problem, 5 times 5. Ooh, first number is how many groups? So I'm going to make 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now think to yourself, how many are going to go in each group? It's my second number, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mentioned this last time. I love multiplying by 5s because I just get to count by 5, right? So count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right. I want you to pause your screen in a second, and I want you to do 4 times 3 on your own, okay? See what you get when you do 4 times 3. When you have solved it, I want you to unpause your screen and we're going to walk through it and I want you to see if you got it right. Okay? 4 times 3. Go ahead and pause that screen. All right. I'm thinking to myself, I see 4 as my first number. I'm going to make 4 groups. 3 is my next number. I need to put 3 in each of those groups. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 is 6. I'm just going to count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did you get 12? Okay, I put this last one on here because it's a little tricky. So I'm going to do 8 times 0. So I know I need to make 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's telling me to put 0 in each of those groups. So I'm not going to put anything in my groups. What could the answer to this problem be? I should take a minute and think. What is the answer? How many dots did I do? How many lines did I draw? Another trick, whenever we multiply by 0, it means we're not putting anything into our groups. Okay, so 10 times 0. I'd make 10 groups, but nothing's going to go inside of it. So anytime we multiply by 0, our answer is 0. Okay, this week you have a few problems to do, a few worksheets to work on. Let your teachers know if you get stuck so we can help you out. But good luck practicing your multiplication with equal groups. Okay, remember that first number is how many groups you make, and that second number is how many is going to go in each group. Have a great week, second grade.